Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to trim out a funky door jamb. A contractor cut a hole in the brick and put a door in, and that's where he left it. The job turned into an eyesore, and I got to fix it. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So we had some crazy gaps and unfinished cut brick on the side of the jamb there that we needed to cover. 3/8 PVC sill, liquid nailed down. Then you can take your PVC 1x4 and set it at the face of the sill here and butt this to the brick mold and cap it with the 1x3. If you want to add some flair, you can space this out a little bit and leave a bit of a reveal. Then you want to do the top. I slipped mine in behind this freeze board here and it worked out nice. After the top's in, you can cut your first 1x4 side from sill all the way to the header piece. I secured mine with liquid nail first. Then you can add your two 1x3s in the face and let them rest on your kickboard. Make sure you put your kickboard in last so you know how long to cut your sides.
Here is the whole process. The 3/8 vinyl gets slipped under the threshold, brick to brick, and glued down with some liquid nail. The header piece is then cut and secured from brick to brick. Now we can measure and install our sides. I cut my 1x4 to fit, header to sill, and then liquid nailed them to the brick. Before doing the 1x3s on the face, get your kick plate set under the new sill. Just let that float for a bit so you can get a measurement on the length of your 1x3s. You can shoot those on to the 1x4, creating the corner. Now you can see how long your kick plate will need to be. Some liquid nail to secure, and then you can caulk all your joints with window and door caulk. Add a coat of exterior semi-gloss. Now this door is pretty. There's more in the Remedy Doors module of the Home Mender e-courses.
So that's it. Easy way to trim out a door jamb. Don't let that scare you. Now, depending on your gap size, you can always use vinyl shoe molding or quarter round or whatever is going to complete your trim. You got this. And now this door is fancy enough to be in this backyard. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.